Oh, I have a beautiful little herb garden, and I have a lot of basil. Some of the fresh basil I have, I'm going to be using in the winter. I'm going to dry it in my toaster oven. I would wash and dry this basil, but you know, we had a lot of rain yesterday. And this basil is clean and dry already. So what I'm going to do is pull the leaves off of the stem. I don't want to use the stems, I just want to use the leaves. Now I've placed all of the leaves on my toaster oven baking pan, and I've preheated my toaster oven to 175. Now, I'm popping the pan with the fresh basil into the toaster oven. I'm thinking it's going to be around 30 or 40 minutes. I'm going to be checking every 10 or 15 minutes or so. I'm thinking it's going to be about 40 minutes. I want to make sure that these leaves are all dry and crisp. Now that was 45 minutes at 175, and you can see that the leaves have all become nice and dry and crisp. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to put it in my coffee grinder and grind it up so I can have a nice fine basil spice to use in the winter when fresh basil is not available. I'm putting the dried basil into this little coffee mill. This will grind it into a really nice spice that can be added to a lot of great dishes. This dried basil will store just like any other spice. Put it in a bottle. Here's a great snack. A little olive oil. A little kosher salt. My dried basil. Oh, the flavor is there. Really good. And buy my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can get online at your favorite bookstore, or check it out at your library. Over 250 recipes just for the toaster oven. Mmm.